I've got an eye problem, but it'll be okay. I have this nail to fix right now in the morning, and then when I go to the airport, I'm back. I fixed my nail, but my eye's still red. At least I can open them now.
Quench my desire. Now be at your side forevermore. You know you're
soft drink, the coffee machine, and the one with capsules. If you would like the pancakes, gonna be
Welcome back to Nadira's channel, girls. Oh, guys, too.
Yeah, guys.
We here. Okay, we're gonna go on a helicopter ride.
Oh my god.
We're gonna see the skyline of Barcelona. But
it's not looking that sunny today.
it's not looking the cutest, but it is what it is.
Yeah, we'll just work it out.
We're still cute. We still vibing.
Okay, then, to finish, I want to know that what is the distance you can get there if you want.
We're going on a tour. But the tour is Australia right here. Yes. Australia, everyone. Yes.
Okay, I'm just gonna go.
Can we see your outfit to go?
Now we're about to surprise her.
Everybody hide behind Lolo.
Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday.
Let me tell you your love. Keep on lifting me higher. I say your love. Keep on lifting me higher, higher. Suck it to me. I lift me up a woman. Keep my heart going higher, higher. I said keep on lifting. Lift me up, mama. Keep on lifting.
Look, people are running in the lake.
Wait, did I show you these?
We're in a park. We're in Espanol, baby. Spain. We're in a park. Yeah. We're being spontaneous today. See that sunlight? That's the big sun. It's the big sun.
Your love lifting me higher than I've ever been lifted before. So
حضوري قرب هريري سيات الدقو وقطو يد عثمان حتى قارع وقصر سقاي
I think we should just friends maybe.
I was downhearted. Disappointment was my closest friend. But then you came and you soon departed. Face again. That's
I actually got the room with the best song as well.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
What are you most excited for?
I'm excited for everything.
Yeah? It's gonna be jam-packed today, but we can't wait for you to see.
This view.
If only they could see, right?
Listen, let me show you guys. Let me flip. We need to be good outside because the sun's out right now, and we need to take this opportunity.
While we have it.
Yes. Our view is beautiful.
The view? Look at the pool. Do you see our pool?
You don't deserve to see it.
Nah.
Next to the pool. I'm on the trampoline. Hey. Look at these cats in this little tree. They're really taking like a climate and looking down. I'm gonna get to
finally found you. Yes, that one. In a million girls.
They're so high! He did that on suits. I'm like wearing a blanket, like going on a little walk.
Tell you your love. Keep on lifting me.
Recording you guys.
Higher and higher. I say your love. Keep on lifting me.
Last day at this villa. Today's our last full day.
Keep on lifting. Higher and higher.
We're back at the hotel.
Yes.
Where are we going?
We're going to Moco today.
Moco.
That gallery, art gallery or whatever.
Yeah.
And then go shopping and then go to city and just chill. Just walk
No,
around.
we're going to two galleries. Two.
Oh my god.
We're gonna go to Moco, and then after Moco, we're gonna go to the National Art Gallery.
Yes. We're art girls right now.
Yeah.
Your love lifting me higher than I've ever been before. So keep it up, quench my desire, and I'll be at your side forevermore. You know your love. Keep on lifting me higher. Higher and higher. I say your love. Lifting me higher and higher. Listen, now once
darling.
It's letting me get out of here. Yeah. And we're saying so cute.
It's like, how the fuck do I get out? It's like it knows.